I'm good on a crybaby. Fucking on him, he ain't my baby. Drink on his pussy, he hydrated. I like a threesome with my lady. He know we doing it my way.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Netta, and this hair right now is giving me very much live. I went to go get it blown out and permed or straightened or whatever, and this is what it's giving the girls. And then my little cute little side part, I don't do side parts like that, y'all. I really don't. But I did it for the girls because somebody was like, you have to do side part, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I hate side parts because it's giving me very much big forehead. I don't like side parts. I always do a middle part. If you guys want to see the rest of this tutorial and this review of this hair, stay tuned and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get on to the video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, so I did my thing with this plucking because I was not playing with this unit, y'all. Oh yes. Oh. I don't know if I want to do a middle or a side, but this unit is plucked by yours truly. I'm gonna do my usual and I'll be right back. So
a few moments later.
okay, y'all, so I'm back. I did a cute little install on Miss Mama's here. I think I tweezed it pretty good. I could have tweezed it a little bit more, but I started running out of time because I think I tweezed for like an hour because I really wanted to get like a really nice part, but I think I over tweezed on this side, or I don't know. I'm like loving and hating it. So this is a perfect hairline 13x6 fully hand tied lace wig by Outre in the style Bexley, and it's a transparent lace, and it already came pre-plucked, so I don't even have to do this, but I really wanted to just so I can just show you what it will give, like real professional looking pre-plucked. I'm 5'2", so it comes down to like my waist. It's like right above my butt. I'm probably going to like blow dry it, pin straight, because it has like a little bit of a curl at the bottom. If y'all see on the mannequins, it has like a little curl at the bottom, and I'm not really feeling that, so I might just like make mine's bone straight. I got mine in the color 2. It's 28 inches actually. I don't know what I was saying, but it's 28 inches. She's real cute. I got mine in the 2 because I was gonna do like a different color, because I did another wig before this video that was in the color 2 as well. But I don't know, I'm just really feeling like I'm in like my minimalist black girl luxury kind of like soft life vibe right now. So everything I'm doing is real like planned out. So me having this hairstyle is planned out for like my other content ideas for right now. So I did style her as a side, but early in this video I was showing y'all what the middle was gonna look like with the 6-inch part. So let's see if I even centered it right when I did it. Okay, I don't want to mess up my part, but this is the middle, how it would look. It would look equally as cute, but I've never done a side. Someone else told me I should do a swoop, but I'm really not a swoop girl, but I'm gonna try it on camera now that I'm on camera, child, because I don't know, because I'm not really a swoop girl. Let's see. I love girls that have the swoop hair. I think it is so cute, and you really have to, it has to be done a certain way for it to be real cute. Like, I like it parted and stuff like that. And that's what I'm trying to do right now. And it's just, I just can't do swoops. I don't know. I think I did a swoop hairstyle probably once or twice. Like a swoop updo, like a half up, half down hairstyle. But not like a full, like all the hair is down and you have a piece that swoops to the side. I don't do those because I just feel like it's a lot of problems. And you have to stick it down with gel, or like you gotta make sure it's gonna stay. See, I don't even know how to do it. Okay, a little bit. It's falling. Hold on, let me get a clip. Okay, it's not perfect, but y'all understand what it's trying to get. See, it'll be a little cute if I really do it, but I'm not right now because I like my hair doing this, giving this. I like that. I also tried a new glue that I saw some girls reviewing. It's the Kiss Almighty Bond dual tip applicator. I decided to try this because I saw a lot of other girls doing it and I was like, let me go see. And it's pretty good. You know, Miss Mama's, I don't think Miss Mama's is going anywhere. I only did one layer. I should have did like 2 or 3 layers, but I really didn't want to like have it glue forever. I tried that new glue. It's pretty good. I don't like to have my like wigs on like stuck. I want to like redo different hairstyles and stuff, so I can't have it stuck all the time. I did like a minimal baby hair look, and that's probably why I feel like it's real bald looking, because it's given like minimal baby hairs. I'm so used to like dramatic baby hair look. The hair is like a light yaki texture, so it's not a silky straight. It's like, it feels a little like if you would get your hair blown out, or if like you would have a perm and you'll blow it out. That's what it's feeling right now. I've had shedding. I've had a lot of shedding because I did do a lot of tweezing. So if you decide not to tweeze the part, you're not gonna have a lot of shedding like that. But I definitely had a lot of shedding. It's not shiny. Like I don't want my wigs to be like shiny, Barbie shiny. I like a little dull. I like mine to have like a little bit of shine, but not like too much. So this is given like very natural. It comes in a couple other colors that I want to try. Butter Toast. I really want to try this one. It's like a highlighted color. See, oh, there it is. Okay, this color. I've been trying to buy it, but every time I go to find it on the website, which is Wig Types, don't forget it's Wig Types, but it's never in stock. Never in stock. And I saw one girl with it and it looked so pretty, y'all, and I really want to get it. Oh, girl, it's not. I guess the universe is just like, girl, you're not gonna have that wig, because I really want that highlighted wig. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me some more ideas on what I should do for my channel. You know the deal, y'all. You know the gist. And yeah, y'all, follow me on all my socials, and I'll see you in the next one.